Did you know that the Book of Joy, written by Dalai Lama and Desmond Tutu, is based on a week-long conversation between the two spiritual leaders? In this book, they share their wisdom on finding joy in the face of adversity and hardships. If you're someone who is seeking guidance on living a more joyful and meaningful life, then this book is for you. The Book of Joy teaches us how to cultivate joy through gratitude, compassion, and forgiveness. Dalai Lama and Desmond Tutu encourage us to shift our focus from external circumstances to our inner state of mind. Their shared insights and personal stories offer a refreshing perspective on finding happiness in the present moment. Through their teachings, they remind us that joy is not dependent on external circumstances, but rather comes from within. The book explores the various obstacles we may face on our journey towards joy and offers practical tools to overcome them. Dalai Lama and Desmond Tutu highlight the importance of embracing humility, humor, and acceptance. They also discuss the power of relationships and the role of compassion in cultivating joy. The Book of Joy reminds us that joy is a choice we can make every day, regardless of our circumstances. By practicing mindfulness and gratitude, we can find joy even in the most challenging moments of life. If you're ready to embark on a transformative journey towards lasting happiness and fulfillment, grab a copy of the Book of Joy. This book offers valuable insights and practical techniques that can help us lead more joyful and purposeful lives. In conclusion, if you're looking for a book that combines spirituality, wisdom, and practical advice, the Book of Joy is a must-read. Subscribe to our channel for more book summaries and recommendations that will inspire and enlighten you. And don't forget to let us know which books you'd like us to cover in the future. Happy reading!